station in isolation. Never too late for beginning. Set your captive free. Tonight, the moment has arrived to live like we're still alive. Wake up and look around. There's no time left to stall. You've got to stand up while you can. Don't miss the call. It's time to win the debate. Don't hesitate this time. Come on and take a stance. Don't miss your chance to stand up right now.
Young man, come to me and ask me for a smoke. Straight off of Bourbon Street, alley cat with the dirty coat. He said it's hard out here, just being me, when the people ain't the way that I want them to be. When I get the chance to build this world I see, make me believe this life's for me, then I will be free. That night, the architect can't sleep, be laying out his plan for the building of a new foundation put together by a million hands. Beyond the wires, just meant to fly, getting out there beyond the fences into the sky. You know I'll find a place for my design, a new space for me and my peace of mind. Underneath the sky, gonna leave the door wide open so I can see everything. Gonna build a home by the ocean, buried in the sand. Gonna leave the door wide open so I can sing. Underneath the sky, gonna leave the door wide open so I can see everything. Gonna build a home by the ocean and buried in the sand. I'm gonna leave the door wide open so I can sing. Gonna build a home by the ocean, leave the door wide open so I can sing. Gonna build a home by the ocean so I can sing. So I can see everything.
Thank you. scare